Hey love, so today we're going to talk about the Bretman Rock and ColourPop collection. ColourPop was sweet enough to send me the collection right here. I'm so excited about it. I just asked you guys on Instagram which palette you wanted me to use, so let me double check. Last I checked, the wet palette was winning, which is going to definitely push me out of my comfort zone because the lit palette is 100% my comfort zone right now. So there we go. Wet is still winning. I'm going to try and use as much as I can of this collection today. This is going to be fun. All right, so before we get started, please subscribe. If you have not already, I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. If you're a ColourPop fan, I'm obsessed. So there's quite a bit of ColourPop here on my channel. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so I already have my base on, clearly. I've got the Revolution Conceal and Define foundation in F1 and 0.5 mixed. Shape tape under my eyes. Imogen in Revolution contour palette on my face. And then my brows are ColourPop Brow Boss in taupe and brow gel in blonde. All right, let's do this. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen the collection, there are two parts. There is the wet collection, which is kind of mostly blue based. Obviously, that blush is not blue, but it's a blush, so that makes sense. And then we have the lit collection, which is all red and 1000% up my alley. And the most exciting thing about both of these, besides obviously the palette, is they have glitters. These are body glitters. So there's for your body and your hair. I believe they're not intended for eye use. We'll see. I might be a rebel today. I don't know, because these are so pretty. We will swatch everything at the end of this video, but first we're just going to play with the palettes and all the stuff. How cute are these? The lip palette is gold and it's got lit in glitter as well. So cute. This is what this guy looks like. Oh, this is going to be interesting. I'm going to be honest. I normally do not like blue makeup looks on myself, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna try this. I have faith in us. We can do this. You here with me? We got this. Anyway, we're gonna start with this guy. I don't know. Skinny Legend. Okay, I think we're just gonna go ahead and go into I'm Chillin', which is the matte blue in the palette. So we're gonna try that guy in the crease. We'll see how it goes. I'm just taking that same shade on my lower lash line a little bit. I have this ColourPop Creme Gel Pencil in DTLA, and it's just like a dark, dark blue. I'm gonna put it on my lower waterline. I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit of Mood, which is the dark, dark blue. That's got like a metallic finish. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I think I'm just gonna take Mood and just put that on the outer corner. We'll see how that goes. Kind of putting it on this outer third of the lid. So far, I'm actually super impressed with this. What's up, Luna? I'm gonna try and keep working on my makeup while I hold Luna with one hand. We are going to use this teal shade, which is LOL I'm Crying, which I've been the most excited about that one. I'm just gonna use my Ooh, girl, it's a good one. So I am going to just tap that on the lid. Right in the center. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm taking that dark blue, which is Mood, with my fingertip as well, and tapping that on the outer corner to just really intensify that color. Girl, that like made it tenfold. And now I'm gonna put the silver, which is Thickums. It feels like literal butter. Oh my goodness. Girl. I'm gonna go back with LOL I'm Crying, that turquoise, and put it right here. I really want to put that, I really should not put that blue glitter on my lid, but I'm so freaking tempted. I'm just gonna, there's barely any. Just in the center of the lid, maybe? So barely any glitter, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of the lid. I don't know if you, oh no, you can see some of it. Don't do what I do, do what you're supposed to do. I'm gonna just do a winged liner really quick. I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black. Okay, loves, I'm going to put on some mascara and some lashes. So the lashes we're going to use today are the Luellas from AOA. These are from Shop Missy, $1. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we got some lashes on. I think I want to put that silver on the inner corner too. This silver is so soft. I almost want to, I think I'm going to spray the brush just so it doesn't fall on my face or anything. So I'm going to put on the inner corner in the little inner corner of the lower lash line, if that makes sense at all. Okay, so now we're really going to use Stop It, which is this blush right here from the Wet collection. My favorite brush to use with pretty much any blush, even the Super Shock blushes from ColourPop, is the ColourPop F9. It's a little stippling brush, like a little baby one. And I do feel like this picks up, you can see how much color that just picked up. Ooh, girl, I'm scared. Oh no, okay, I'll just switch. Ooh, that is pigmented. I look like a clown. We're gonna have to tone this down. Oh girl. Hopefully once you put the highlighter on, it won't be too much. Super, super pigmented. This is a beautiful color. Ooh girl. I already have so much blue eyeshadow on. I saw that. Okay. I don't think there's any. I think that you're supposed to kind of use these as highlighters, but I'm not going to. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go back into that same contour palette that I've been using and mix these two highlights. My brush is broken, so I have to hold it a little funny. I need to fix it. I'm just gonna put just this one, I think, on my nose and my Cupid's bow. So then this guy is Moonbeam from AOA, which is Shop Miss A. It's just one of their loose powder highlighters. A powlighter is what they're called. Obsessed with these. Super glittery, they're messy, but they're worth it. They're $1. Let's pop it on. Super glittery, super intense. I think the Wet collection has a nude. On me, this is going to be way too dark of a lip liner, at least for what I'm feeling today, but I probably can use these two. I'm going to use Frida. All right, so this is She Cute. She Cute. Why don't we try it with the blue gloss? Kumquat. It's pretty. It just feels very summer to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you rock this? Okay, so this is the completed look. If you guys want to see swatches of everything and my thoughts on this collection, just keep on watching. We're gonna be super up close and personal. Okay, let's start with the Wet collection because that is what we use today. This is what the palette looks like. The packaging is super cute. You can see Bretman is on there. These are so good. So let's just watch them real quick. Oh wow, I didn't realize how deep of a green that one was. That would have been really pretty in the outer corner as well. Okay, so here are the swatches of the Wet palette. Maybe I'll swatch them side by side so you guys can really see the difference in the palettes. This palette's really beautiful. This is the easiest time I've ever had with blending blues on my lids. Normally I cannot stand a blue look on my eyes, but I don't mind this at all. I actually think it's really pretty. My favorite shades in the palette are definitely the silver, which is Thickums. Yeah, I just really think this is a really nice blue palette. If you are looking for a blue palette and you're kind of scared, like I am, of blue, I feel like this is a really good option. These shimmers are amazing. 4 mattes and 4 metallic shimmers in here. What I think is really cool is even this like blue-based white, it's just really pretty and super pigmented. I wish that I would have used more of this guy because it's so pretty. But again, those are the swatches on this guy. So pretty. Let's swatch the lip palette too. We're just going to swatch the like items at the same time. I think that's a better option. So you can see the 2 palettes, you can see the 2 glitters, you can see the lip kits and decide which one's right for you out of the 2 if you only want to get one of each or if you just are curious. This palette looks so up my alley. You guys know that I love oranges and reds and just like everything of the sort. Now my fingers are already stained, but this is what the packaging looks like. So cute. In the inside, gorgeous. It's so pretty. I love yellows right now too. So this is just so up my alley. I think 5 mattes. It looks like a satin and 2 metallics. So let's get into this. Right here is lit, and obviously that one is wet. Look how beautiful those shades are. They are just so, whoo, girl. I know that I'm going to absolutely love this palette. I feel like I went from not having enough red shadows to there's been so many amazing palettes lately. I would definitely say you're not going to be disappointed with either. I'm not sure how much these are. I think they might be 12. So yeah, the palettes are 12 each, which is not bad at all, at all. I know everyone is super excited about the glitter, so let's swatch these glitters next. So these are supposed to be hair and body glitters. I don't think they're intended for the eye. I put the tiniest amount of, well, which one is this one? This one's called Oh My God, I'm Wet, and this one's called She Lit. We all know Bretman. These are all a little bit risque of names, so I'm sorry, Mom. But so this one is gorgeous. I put just the tiniest bit on the middle of my lid. I don't know if you're allowed to put them on your eyes. I didn't see anything that said do not put them on your eyes, but they're not marketed as an eye glitter. They're marketed as like a hair or face or body glitter. There's a ton of product in here. I think these guys retail for $8 each. If you just tap it, you get a little bit of glitter, but if you like, you could obviously scoop it. These dry down. This one's got little stars inside. I don't know if this one does. Look how pretty that is. Right there. I just love that these dry down. So if you want to wear them on your cheek, they're going to dry. If you want to wear them in your hair, they all come with this little stopper thing, which I think is going to help it from drying out. Now let's swatch She Lit. I'm so excited for this one. I swatched this one as soon as I got it. This was like the #1 thing, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just like, it literally looks like fire. So pretty. So there's chunkier glitter, as you can see in the blue one, and She Lit just has smaller glitter, but both of them are bigger particles than most eye glitter. So again, $8 each for these glitters. I'll leave them on there for a minute so they can dry down and I can show you. Super impressed with how they dry down though. So I have a little bit of Stop It on my cheeks, which is super pigmented. If you are fair like I am, use a very light hand. I even used a stippling brush, as you guys saw in the tutorial, and it still was like too much. So this one's like electric. Ooh, she's blushing right there. So pigmented. Then this is such a gorgeous color. Look at this burnt orangey shade. Stop It. See, those are hella pigmented. Pardon my French, but hella pigmented. One little swirl in the, like for a blush, that's so intense. Okay, so now the glitters are pretty much dry. You can see, I mean, I'm not going to rub super deep. Some comes off, but like for the most part, look at that. Not bad. Not bad, especially the blue one that I put on first was like glued. Okay, let's swatch the lip kits. I have on this lip kit with the exception of the lip liner. It looked super dark, so I was a little intimidated. So the lip liner in here is, this one is BFF3, but it's a brown. Ultra Satin Lip is, what is she? Cute, which I love that name. She Cute. But again, this is what's on my lips right now. I really love the Ultra Satin formula so much. It's a very, very peachy shade. I put a little bit of concealer in the middle of my lips though, because it was too orangey peach on me, because I am, again, for the 1000th time, so fair. Then there is a lip gloss which has a blue tint to it, and this one is Kumquat, I think. So the lip bundle is $16. They are sold separately, so you can purchase them separately for $6.50 each. I'm really excited to swatch the lip kit because from what I've seen of swatches online, it looks gorgeous. This comes with a wig, I See You, and Dukes. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a dark burgundy right there. Ooh, girl, that red. Ooh, girl. And it's an ultra satin. Bless you, Brett. Wow, guys. Talk about an amazing red for holiday. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to wear that on my face. Guys, what is this even called? Wig. So this is called Wig. So insane. Ultra glossy lip is I See You, and it looks like it's got like gold glitter in it. So let's swatch it. So obviously the top one is the wet lip kit and the bottom one is the lit lip kit. I am obsessed. These look so pretty. I probably will wear them tomorrow. I might, well, I'm not going to put them on with this eye look, but I'm going to probably wear them tomorrow because I'm obsessed. That is the most beautiful, deep, perfect red. Now let's talk about my favorites in this collection. So of course, I think the glitters are amazing. This is so cool, especially if you are like, if you go to raves or anything like that, then this is really great to wear as body glitter. You get quite a bit for $8. Okay, so Wig. This might even be, oh, this is so pretty. So Wig and Dukes, I mean, the gloss looks really gorgeous as well. I'm really excited to wear them all together. So good for holiday. I feel like this is like your perfect holiday lip right here in one little kit. The blushes are gorgeous. They're not really blush shades that I personally go for because they am so fair. They're so pigmented. It's just not normally what I put on. But now that I've blended it out and put highlight and everything's on my cheek, I think it's really pretty. I feel like if I didn't have such a strong eye on, I would like it so much more. And then both palettes are insane. super, super impressed with the wet palette. And again, I need to reiterate that I do not normally like blues on my lid. I normally have issues blending them out. They just don't look good on me. They look muddy. They just don't look good. So I'm super impressed with the wet palette, and I know that I'm going to absolutely love the lip palette. And for $12 each, you seriously cannot beat that. All right, loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for those of you that voted on Instagram about what palette you wanted to see. If you guys do want more input on my videos, I often do polls on Instagram. So follow me. I'll leave it down below and in the corner. I think it's the corner over here. Pretty sure. Corner over here. All right, loves, again, I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Now, but I am super I'm super pear. Will you not walk on? My hair be cray. My bangs be cray. What is new? What is new? We are blue. Abadi abadai. Oh, hi. Hi. How doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Is it time? Okay, we have to take a snuggle break, I guess. Time for a snuggle break. Edges, I'm going to use what? Lower lash line? Wow, I can speak. Ugh. It's a little taper blush. Taper? What? Oh, girl. Oh, girl. Now I need to real what? Something, girl. I keep saying lip gloss. You guys know what I mean, ultra glossy. The Dukes. I just threw it.